Today, we're diving into the juicy world of Maryland's state fruit, the longan. Yes, you heard that right. Maryland has a state fruit, and it's not what you might expect. You might be thinking, Maryland, isn't that famous for crabs? And you'd be absolutely correct. Maryland is renowned for its delicious blue crabs and stunning coastline. But there's more to Maryland than just seafood. Nestled in its picturesque orchards is a sweet secret waiting to be discovered. The longan is a small, round fruit with brown skin. It might look unassuming, but don't let its size fool you. Inside that modest shell is a sweet, juicy flesh that tastes like a tropical vacation. Imagine biting into a piece of paradise. The flavor is a delightful mix of sweetness and a hint of floral notes, making it a unique treat for your taste buds. But the longan isn't just delicious, it's also packed with health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential minerals, this little fruit can boost your immune system and improve your overall health. We'll explore how to find this exotic fruit in your local markets, and if you're feeling adventurous, we'll even show you how to grow your own longan tree right in your backyard. And of course, we'll share some fun facts along the way. Did you know that the longan is often called the dragon's eye fruit because of its translucent flesh and dark seed? So, get ready to discover why the longan is Maryland's hidden gem. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this amazing fruit and learn why it's a must-try for every food lover out there.
The longan might be small, but it's packed with good stuff. Imagine a tiny package filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. That's the longan. It's like a superhero for your health. Want stronger bones? Longan has calcium. Need more energy? Longan is here for you. It even helps your body fight off those pesky free radicals. And the best part? It tastes amazing.
Ready for some fun? Let's dive into an exciting quiz that will test your knowledge and maybe even teach you something new. Let's see how much you know about the longan, a fascinating fruit with a rich history and cultural significance. Grab a piece of paper and a pen and get ready to jot down your answers to these intriguing questions. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. What does the word longan mean in Chinese? Is it A, dragon's eye, B, golden fruit, or C, sweet surprise? Think carefully and write down your answer. Question 2. What essential vitamin is the longan fruit a good source of? Is it A, vitamin C, B, vitamin D, or C, vitamin E? This fruit is not only delicious, but also nutritious. Remember, the right answer could boost your knowledge about the health benefits of this exotic fruit. Question 3. In some cultures, what is the longan fruit believed to symbolize? Is it A, good luck, B, prosperity, or C, both A and B? This fruit holds a special place in various traditions. The symbolism of the longan fruit is deeply rooted in cultural beliefs and practices, making it more than just a tasty treat. So, does it symbolize good luck, prosperity, or perhaps both? Write down your final answer. Keep your answers handy. We'll reveal them at the end of this segment. Compare your answers with your friends and see who knows the most about the longan. Now, let's travel back in time to learn about the longan's journey to Maryland. This fruit has a fascinating history that spans continents and centuries. From its origins in Asia to its introduction in the United States, the longan has made quite a journey. Stay tuned as we uncover the historical significance and the path it took to become a beloved fruit in Maryland.
The longan story begins far away in Southeast Asia. It traveled across oceans with explorers and found a happy home in Maryland. Maryland farmers welcomed the longan with open arms. They learned how to grow these exotic fruits in their own backyards.
People loved the longan's sweet taste. They added it to desserts, drinks, and even savory dishes. The longan quickly became a Maryland favorite.
Section 5. Longan hunting. Finding the treasure. Ready for an adventure? Let's go longan hunting. But remember, we need to be respectful of nature. Always ask for permission before picking fruits on private property. Look for longan trees in sunny spots with well-drained soil. They love the warmth. You'll recognize them by their dark green leaves and clusters of small brown fruits. Gently pluck the longans from the branches. The skin should be firm and free from blemishes. Now you're ready to enjoy your forage treasure.
Section 6. Longan in your backyard. A gardener's guide. Want fresh longans right outside your door? You're in luck. Growing longan trees is easier than you think. You can grow them from seeds, but be patient. It takes time for them to sprout. For a quicker harvest, try planting a young tree. Longan trees love sunshine and well-drained soil. Give them plenty of water, especially during dry spells. With a little care and attention, you'll have your very own longan orchard in no time. Section 7. Longan love, keeping it green and delicious. Let's talk about sustainability. When we grow and enjoy longans responsibly, we help protect our planet. Support local farmers who use sustainable practices, choose organic options whenever possible, and don't let any part of the longan go to waste. You can use the seeds to grow new trees. The peels can be composted to nourish your garden. Get creative and find new ways to love your longans.
Section 8. Maryland's Longan legacy. The longan isn't just a tasty treat, it's a part of Maryland's heritage. This little fruit has made a big impact on the state. It supports local farmers and businesses, it brings communities together for festivals and celebrations, and it reminds us of the importance of preserving our agricultural traditions. So next time you bite into a juicy longan, remember that you're tasting a piece of Maryland's history.
Section 9. Longan Quiz Answers and Sweet Farewell. Welcome back, everyone. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of longans, and now it's time to wrap things up with some fun and insightful quiz answers. It's time to reveal the answers to our Longan quiz. We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge about this unique and delicious fruit. Did you guess them all correctly? Let's find out. Question 1. What is another name for the longan fruit? The answer is A. Dragon's eye. The longan gets its name from its resemblance to an eyeball when peeled. The translucent flesh and the dark seed inside make it look like a dragon's eye, hence the name. It's quite an interesting and somewhat mystical name, don't you think? Moving on to question 2. Which vitamin is longan rich in? The answer is A. Vitamin C. Longans are packed with this immunity-boosting vitamin. This makes them not only a tasty treat, but also a healthy one. Including longans in your diet can help you stay healthy and fight off colds and other illnesses. And now for question 3. What are longans used for in some cultures? The answer is C, both A and B. Longans are used in traditional medicine and are also seen as symbols of good fortune and prosperity. In some cultures, longans are seen as symbols of good fortune and prosperity. They are often used in festivals and celebrations, bringing joy and luck to those who partake in them. It's amazing how a simple fruit can hold so much cultural significance. That's a wrap on our longan adventure. We've explored the history, cultivation, and uses of longans, and we hope you've enjoyed every moment of it. We hope you've learned something new and are inspired to try this delicious fruit. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in a recipe, longans are a versatile and delightful addition to any diet. Support your local farmers, explore new recipes, and keep the love for longans alive. By buying local, you not only get the freshest produce, but also support the hardworking farmers who bring these wonderful fruits to our tables. So, next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up some longans and experiment with new and exciting ways to enjoy them. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy eating!